Hello guys, this is Sharon G and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's episode, ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano mag-load ng inyong GCash account gamit ang inyong BPI account. But take note na ang inyong BPI account, it must be enrolled siya sa banking online. So, without further ado, let's get started. Una po, dapat meron po kayong BPI application sa inyong phone. So, i-open natin yung ating BPI. So, ito yung lumang BPI app. Hindi pa ako nag-move dun sa new app kasi hindi ko siya may login yung aking account. So, ito muna yung gagamitin ko. Magla-login lang po tayo. Login. And take note po pala, gamit ang ating BPI account, with no charge po yung ating pag-load ng ating GCash. So, no charge. So, kung nakikita nyo yung tatlong line sa may gilid, tap that. And then, punta lang kayo dito sa my payments and load. Tap that one as well. And then, tap natin yung load e-wallet. And here, you have to fill in the details. So, load from kung saan manggagaling yung load ninyo. Of course, sa inyong savings account. And tap that one. And then, load to, select the e-wallet kung saan kayo, kung ano yung loloadan ninyo. Of course, dahil GCash yung ating loloadan, tap GCash. So, unenrolled e-wallet, GCash, and then tap the reference number. Yung reference number is yung registered GCash account ninyo. So, write it down. Make sure na tama para makapasok yung inyong load. And tap amount. How much are you gonna load? Tapos, click done. So, dito, my notes, optional, pero ilalagay ko pa rin load para hindi ako malito later. And then, take note, sabi dito, service charge, applicable service charge may be deducted from your account. Just disregard po yan. Hindi ko alam kung bakit pa nila nilalagay yan, pero just disregard it. And then, pag natapos nyo na lahat yung information, tap next. So, review the details. Are these details correct? So, from the savings account, i-check nyo siya. I-check nyo din yung amount na inyong isi-send. At of course, i-check nyo po yung GCash account kung tama. Double check. Kasi sayang naman kung hindi may nagkamali kayo at hindi natin ma-load yung pera, sayang din naman. So, make sure to double check. And after that, tap confirm. Tapos, hinihingi yung 6-digit PIN code to approve the transaction. Yung PIN code ng inyong phone. Ayun. Ito na po siya. And, yun na rin po yung ating BPI loading confirmation. So, i-check lang natin yung ating load e-wallet was successful. So, ganun lamang po kabilis mag-load gamit si BPI through your GCash. So, i-check natin yung ating email kung ano ba yung na-receive natin. So, ito, magko-confirm si BPI sa inyo ng GCash loading confirmation. Tapos, nandito yung transaction. So, if ever, hindi nyo na siguro kinakailangan i-screenshot kasi nasa email nyo naman. Kaya, dapat yung email natin is existing din para makareceive tayo ng mga confirmation from our transaction. So, ganun lamang po kabilis kung papaano mag-load ng inyong e-wallet from your BPI account with free of charge. So, I hope na nakatulong ang video na to sa mga katulad ko na gumagawa ng mga transaction online at hindi yun na kinakailangang magpa-load pa sa mga loading station with charge. So, ito, free na po siya. So, ganyan lamang po kadali kung paano mag-load ng inyong e-wallet or ng iyong GCash from your BPI account. And then, if nagustuhan mo ang video na to, please like and share, subscribe para ma-update ka sa mga new videos na aking i-upload in the future. Thank you for watching and God bless.